Ikinagulat naman ni Pangulo Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang nilalaman ng Senate Bill No. 1979 o Anti-Adolescent Pregnancy Bill. Bagamat mahalagaan niya ang pagtuturo ng reproductive health, panganib ng maagang pagbubuntis at human immunodeficiency virus sa mga kabataan, hindi sang-ayon ng presidente sa ilang bahagi nito. Tulad na lamang ng pagtuturo na mag-masturbate ang mga batang 4 na taong gulang at subukan ang magkakaibang sexualidad. Bilang isang magulang ay nakakasuplamaan niya ang laman ng panukalang batas. Paglapastangan din sa tunay na kahulugan ng sex education at sinigurong hindi may isa sa batas kung ang mga nabanggit ay nilalaman ng panukala.
I was shocked and I was appalled by some of the elements of that, because this is all this woke that they are trying to bring into our system. You will teach four-year-olds how to that every child has the right to try different sexualities. This is ridiculous. It is abhorrent. It is a travesty of what sexual and sex education should be to the children. What about the parents? Wala na silang karapatan na silang mag-decide kung ano at kailan tuturuan yung bata. And I'm already guaranteeing hindi pa napasa ito. Pero if this bill is passed in that form, I guarantee all parents, teachers, and children, I will immediately veto it.